famous na kapihan dito sa Tanay. Kasi tuwing dumadaan kami dito is ang daming tao, lalo na paggabi. Maganda yung ambiance. So ito ang Cafe Natividad. Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. So nandito tayo muli sa famous na kapihan dito sa Tanay. Kasi tuwing dumadaan kami dito is ang daming tao, lalo na paggabi. Maganda yung ambiance. So ito ang Cafe Natividad. Tara! With ice is 100. Yung hot is 90.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay.
Ang ganda ng ambiance dito guys, kasi ang ganda ng view. Ganda ng view dito guys. So medyo almost 4 o'clock pa lang po ng hapon. Maya mayang gabi maganda dito kasi puro ilaw. So order muna kami ng coffee. Aran.
A few moments later.
tayo. Yung 5 cheese. So, masarap yung coffee. Diba?
Sarap yan.
Mahal. Sabi lang kasi masarap.
Busog pa kami pero kakain pa ulit.
So guys, tapos may hot coffee.
Busog ka pa pero kakain pa ulit.
Wait a minute.
Ano masasabi mo sa pizza nila?
5 cheese na 5 cheese.
5 star din yung price. Pero masarap siya.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Hindi na siya nalala. Taon di ko po.
Ano hindi na natin.
May babae.
So dito lang po ito sa may malalaki ang daan papuntang Kaminawis. Actually mauuna yung Kaminawis. Tapos susunod ito.
Late.
Sabi mo araw. Dahil nakapasok kami dito kasi ilang beses kami dumadaan-daan dito parating puno. So ngayon pinuntahan namin na walang tili. At least nakaupo na rin kami. So maganda ng ambience guys. Overlooking and then fresh air.